GOOGL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Alphabet Incorporated stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, as I'm just overviewing Google, this is very bullish and I quite like it. You know, in this instance, I'm looking to just double down. So what I'll do is just mark this thing here. But no one else in the space has more videos than we made. Like I have 45,000 videos 5 years into the game, all documented, and especially how things are looking like is I'm not gonna play around with an instant longs, but if the price does pull down and does show me the shift, then yeah, sure, I'm looking to take it further out. But like randomly buying, like I said, again, it's not gonna be happening. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then you can just click the first link in the description. You can see before I get into it, like even in the Discord, I have like 3 receipts there. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.